The biggest thing for me was there was a lot of pain. My teeth were deteriorating because I had Sjögren's, and nothing I could do would stop the damage that was going on, the receding, and my teeth. I had 8, 9 different implants, and they started failing, so my teeth were on the way out. First of all, I think from a medical point of view, if your teeth are in bad shape, it's going to affect your whole body. So they not only did they look bad cosmetically, that they weren't functioning very well, and I was always in pain or always hurting. So we had to go ahead and take care of it as quickly as we could. I first went to Dr. Bopes, and he's the one that looked at everything underneath through the x-rays and stuff, 3D imaging, and took a look at what was going on underneath, and we were in trouble. There was not a lot we could do to salvage what was there, and I was starting to suffer really bad bone loss and stuff, so we needed to get on it before it got worse, to where I even couldn't do these. Very efficient and very caring, which is really nice. Never had to wait. They're always there on time, get you in really quick, and everything was well explained along the way, so that was really nice.